Good morning, all. This is early morning, 6 a.m. I have started morning with this sound of birds and nature.
So guys, yesterday we read about healthy eating. Healthy eating is very important for our life. As healthy eating is very important, exercise is also very important for you. So guys, now workout time. Let's go.
Hi guys, you're watching behind is our gym, but due to Corona crisis, it is not functional. It is closed right now. I will introduce you to my gym partners. Uh, he is this one. He is
Hi.
Vikrant Nandiye. He is Sachin Sakore.
Hello.
These are IT guys. We do our gym regularly on morning hours, but due to closure of gym, we have no option for other than running. So let's run.
Walking and running. Now it is a stretching time. Stretching is very important after workout. You can relax your muscles.
This is our Gappa Katta after workout. There are two more new friends. I will introduce them. He is Dr. Yogesh Pote. He is also a member of our Gappa Katta. We are keeping social distancing because of this Corona crisis. This is our new friend Datta Kandalkar sir. He is also IT professional. So let's enjoy on.
Now it's a brunch time. Usually I do not take breakfast. I follow Dikshit diet. So it's right now 10:30 a.m. and I am having my brunch. I am extremely sorry guys. Since morning we are talking, but I forgot to introduce myself. Myself Dr. Santosh More, residing at Bosri, Pune. I have two hospitals. One is multi-speciality hospital and other is burn care center, which is only center in the Pune who is catering for burn patients. As you know, today is Sunday, which is holiday for all. But for me, I should go for indoor patients round. This is time for some work. So let's go.
Here we reach at my first hospital, Pune International Burns and Cosmetic Center. You can see slowly lockdown is releasing. Some bikes and cars are moving on the road. Daily activities started slowly. I will introduce you my travel partner. This is my travel partner. Let's go inside my hospital. We are going inside my hospital. This is specialized hospital for burns care. This is the reception area and administration and billing. This is waiting room. I will show my consulting to you. This is our consulting room. As I said earlier, this is our burn hospital, Pune International Burn and Cosmetic Center, which is only hospital in Pune city who caters burns patient. Burn is a very specialized faculty which need very special care. Burns accidents are not routinely happened accidents, so there is less rush as compared to my other hospital, that is multi-speciality hospital. Though there are less number of patients in the hospital, but managing these type of patients is big headache, because all the patients are medical legal cases. We have to be very careful about them. There are some matters who reach up to the court. We have to go there. This is 15-bedded hospital. Right now there is only one patient who is an industrial accident from Chakan industry. So let's meet him. We have reached at our IPD area. I will not tell you all the details about the hospital, otherwise it will become a hospital documentary. This is our IPD reception area. This is totally a sterile zone, which is OT complex and IBCU. And on the other hand, there are all special wards, special room and general wards. These are our doctors panel team. Now we will go to the patient. This is room number 2. There is only one patient in the hospital right now. Let's meet the patient. This is a patient of burn. He has got 50% industrial burn. He is working in Chakan industry. Let's meet him. भैया आपका नाम क्या है? हाँ? कन्हैया. हाँ. कहाँ के रहने वाले हो? बिहार का. यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे थे फिर? स्टील का काम. कौन सी कंपनी में? कंपनी का नाम याद नहीं है? चाकन में है ना? चाकन में. हाँ. तो कैसे हो गया था आपको?
पढ़ाई खोला था साइड से ना, वो साइड से ऐसा लाइट गया था.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
वो बिजली में सट गया ऐसा स्टिक.
हाँ हाँ.
बाद में सटने के बाद ऐसा मेरे को नीचे गिर गया. फिर वो नीचे गिर गया, पूरा कपड़ा जलने लगा.
अच्छा.
कीड़े ही पकड़ा पाए.
ओके ओके. इलेक्ट्रिक का शॉक भी लगा था क्या आपको?
हाँ, ये किसी पे वो शॉक लगा था.
शॉक लगा था ना? अच्छा. यहाँ पे कितने दिन से एडमिट हो?
यहाँ से 7 तारीख से.
7 तारीख से एडमिट हो. ठीक है भैया, चलेगा. अच्छा. ओके, थैंक यू. So guys, this is all about my burn hospital. Let's go to my second hospital, Anand Hospital. So we have reached to our second hospital, which is multi-speciality hospital, Anand Hospital. This hospital is 25 years old. Since today is a Sunday, there will not be a routine OPD. Only some emergency patients will be there, or certificates patients. The patients who require certificate for traveling purpose will be there, I think. So let's go inside the hospital. Let's do some work now. Right now I have finished my OPD. There were 15 number of patients in OPD. Most of them are for travel fitness purpose only. 80% of population is already gone. So coming days will be very difficult. Let's go upside for IPD round. I will not show you all the IPD patients. I am returned to OPD now. There is more 6 people's batches came for the certificates. I will just talk with one of. भैया बोलिए, आपका नाम क्या है?
विकास कुमार।
विकास कुमार।
हाँ,
कहाँ के रहने वाले हो?
मैं यूपी का रहने वाला हूँ।
यूपी के रहने वाले। यहाँ पे कब से आए थे भोसरी में?
6 साल हो गए।
6 साल हो गए। अभी आप कहाँ जा रहे हो फिर?
यूपी।
यूपी में कहाँ पे?
जौनपुर जिला।
अच्छा, तो कैसे जा रहे हो आप?
बस से।
बस से। बस किसने की है फिर वो?
सीट नहीं करते।
सेट ने करके दिया। कितने लोग जाएंगे बस में?
30 जन।
30 जन जाएंगे। अच्छा, कितना समय लगता है आपको जाने में वहाँ तक?
2 दिन लगेगा।
2 दिन में?
2 से
आप पहुँच
2.5 दिन लगेगा।
अच्छा, ओके ओके। फिर से आप वापस आओगे या नहीं आओगे?
अब देखते हैं फिर जाने का।
फिर भी
देखते हैं जैसे रहेगा।
मुझे नहीं लगता अगर आप लोग वापस आओगे 1 साल तक तो कम से कम।
हाँ हाँ, तब 1 साल तक।
तो इधर साल से आप नहीं आएंगे वापस। It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We have finished next batch of 10 people. So count is 25 patients. So I have finished my work from this hospital. Right now I am going to home. So let's meet at home. Bye. I have reached home now. Now I will edit all those clips to make the final video and we'll have some rest. So we'll meet in the evening. Good evening friends. This is 5 p.m. in the evening. This is my dinner time actually. Do you remember him? You met him in the morning at workout. Yeah, he has joined me for dinner. After dinner, I have one plan for you. I will introduce to my family members to you. After that, I have one celebration. One of my friends' anniversary is there. They are coming here. We will enjoy that celebration also.
कृष्ण म्हणतो राधेला, राधे जरा हास. रुपाताईंच्या घरी आज प्रवीण रावांचं नाव घेते खास.
Already 8 p.m. now and I have to go to hospital for night's round. Hope you all have enjoyed my day. It was nice talking with you. Very good experience of making video film. Thank you Aniket and Readers Group. So we will conclude on this note. Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Tata kara. Tata. Bye bye.